Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate site backups with UpdraftPlus, beginner guide step by step clearly. To automate site backups using UpdraftPlus, begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the sidebar. Click on Add New to search for UpdraftPlus. In the search bar, type UpdraftPlus. Once you find the plugin, click on Install Now. After installation, click on Activate to enable the plugin. Next, go to the Settings section on the sidebar. Select UpdraftPlus Backups from the menu. In the UpdraftPlus Settings page, click on the Settings tab. You'll see options for backup schedules. Choose your preferred file backup schedule. Select a different option for database backup, such as daily or weekly. Scroll down to the Storage Options section. Select where you want to store your backups, like Google Drive or Dropbox. Follow the prompts to authorize UpdraftPlus with your selected storage service. After linking, return to the Settings page in UpdraftPlus. Ensure all your settings are saved by clicking on the Save Changes button. Next, go to the Current Status tab to check your backups. Click on Backup Now to create your first manual backup. Once the backup is complete, check your storage service to confirm it's there. To further automate your backups, return to the Settings tab. Set the retention policy for how long to keep old backups. Consider keeping a few copies on hand for safety. Review your settings one last time to ensure they reflect your preferences. Once satisfied, close the Settings page. Your site backups are now automated with UpdraftPlus. Regularly check the plugin to ensure everything is functioning as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.